Hello, my name is Amelia Fulkerson, and this is for my dual credit speech class. Should minors be able to get on the birth control pill without their parents' consent? Has you or someone you know been pregnant as a teenager? Do you know women in your life who have suffered because of their periods? Do you know someone who has suffered from several types of uterine cancers? Statistics show that the birth rate for teenagers has been 15.4 per every 1,000 teenagers. In Mississippi, there's the highest amount of teen pregnancy with 27.9 teenage births per 1,000 teenagers. The birth control pill is a useful tool for women who suffer with debilitating menstrual cramps and heavy period cycles. Dermatologists also recommend teens to go on the birth control pill if they are dealing with hormonal acne. Uterine cancer can also be prevented by using the birth control pill. I personally am on the birth control pill to help my period. Every month I would be bedridden from cramps that felt like I was being cut open by a chainsaw. After I got on the birth control pill, I was able to live a pain-free life. Teenagers should also be able to have access to the birth control pill whether they want to prevent pregnancy, help with menstrual cycles, or clear their skin. I personally know many girls who struggle with their periods and not wanting to get pregnant, but their parents either believe the birth control pill is sacrilegious or they do not want to have to deal with the idea of their teenagers having sex. The topic I'm going to speak about are how birth control prevents pregnancy, birth control helps painful periods, reduce cancer risks, and clear skin. I'm first going to mention the use of the birth control pill for pregnancy prevention. As I mentioned earlier, there are still high rates of teenage pregnancy, and many girls would be able to prevent this through birth control. The birth control pill is used to safely stop ovulation, meaning there's no eggs for the sperm to fertilize with. The hormones in the pill also thicken the cervical mucus so that sperm are unable to swim to the egg to fertilize. The birth control pill is 99% effective at preventing pregnancy if taken at the same time every day. The birth control combination pill, which is made with estrogen and progesterone, has a bit more wiggle room with taking it. As long as you take it every day, you will be protected from pregnancy. I'm now going to talk about the use of birth control to deal with painful or unpredictable periods. With painful periods, the birth control pill is also used for dealing with unpredictable periods. Birth control may help cramps because it decreases the number of prostaglandins that your body produces. Prostaglandins are responsible for what makes the uterus contract. These uterus contractions are cramps, and with fewer contractions, you are in less pain. Birth control pills may also help with regulating your periods. The birth control pill contains hormones which help balance when you are getting your menstrual cycle. I'm now going to mention the benefit of birth control with the risk of cancers. Reduced cancer risks show that there are two types of cancers where the risk can be reduced: ovarian cancer and uterine cancer. Upwards of 20,000 women in the U.S. will contract uterine cancer this year. However, birth control has been proven to reduce risks of ovarian cancer, up to 30 to 50%. Birth control is also able to reduce the possibility of ovarian cancer even in genetically transferred cancers. Upward of 66,000 women will contract uterine cancer in the U.S. this year. A 2008 study revealed that birth control can reduce the possibility of uterine cancer by 34%. The pill showed increased effectiveness in patients who were overweight or smokers and reached its maximum effect the longer it is used. I am now going to include how birth control can help with hormonal acne. Birth control contains two hormones called estrogen and progesterone. These hormones lower the amount of androgens in the body, which increases the amount of sebum produced on the skin. The birth control pill has hormones in it, and hormones play a role in what gives you acne. Women usually produce low levels of androgens, but hormone changes during the menstrual cycle may make the skin produce more sebum, causing a breakout. Birth control pills contain both estrogen and progesterone that lowers the number of androgens produced in the body, but a progesterone pill may cause more breakouts. Teenagers should be able to get on the birth control pill without parental consent because they should be able to have the right to decide what's best for their bodies. Birth control can help prevent pregnancy, help painful periods, prevent cancer, and make you have flawless skin. No matter what teenagers want to use birth control for, they should be able to make a decision that will benefit their bodies.